Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this 12 volt portable spot welding kit, and I haven't opened this yet. It just came like 2 days ago and haven't even opened it. So in front of the camera, let me take the tools. Guys, please like and subscribe. This is only the unpacking the kit, and I will be soon showing how it actually performs after assembling it. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe. There goes all the screws, and man, I really do not have video making skills. Really, I need to learn a lot. I could have paused this video and shown you after unpacking things. Sorry for all the mess you have to see with your eyes, and let me sort out the things. And there you go. Wires, red wire, black wire, and they also give you these nickel strips. The thickness maybe 1 mm, yeah, I think that is what I think. I don't have any scale to measure it. The buzzer, and lastly capacitor. I cannot, my camera is not that great in focusing. Let me read out the ratings. It's okay, 20 to 100 microfarad. Okay, capacity is voltage 25 volts, and what is this? Okay, and this is the normal buzzer, and there you go. What? Oh, I forgot the main thing. You know what? I just checked. My camera do not have the pause functionality, and I have bought this new phone, and I'm recording in it, and it do not have the pause feature. I just came to know it. Guys, I have to open it with 2 hands. I cannot pause it, sorry. Guys, there you go. I have to use my mouth to open it. and I ordered it from Maker Bazaar. If you want to look at this, you can pause the video and read it. Okay, and guys, here's the real thing. Let me take, and there is no flashlight option also, man. Hey guys, sorry for the inconvenience. I just downloaded another camera app from the Play Store. Sorry for the very bad introduction. Let's continue the video. And as you can see, these are all the parts I have received from the package, and these are like what you call, whatever you call, and you use it to like plug to the battery to short circuit and get the welding, and these are for like power from the battery and nickel strips. And why there is a sticker here? What is the sticker anyway? Oh my guys, it should belong to the buzzer. Somehow it got, let me stick to the buzzer. And after, and these are, my god, what do you call this again? I really don't know, I forget names. These are like they provide like insulation. Okay, you put it here and heat it, and voila, that's it. And these are WTT tubes, I really forget their names. And capacitor, buzzer, nut bolts. If you want a close look at the nut bolts, take it, and let's concentrate on this. Let me take the camera nearly for you to see. Can you see it? Like they here battery plus, and where is the minus? Oh my god, where's the minus then? Yeah, oh, buzzer, I am sorry guys, this is buzzer. Okay, I am very sorry. This is the buzzer. Can you hear the sound? This is the switch, and if you cannot, maybe you cannot see it clearly, but it's an LED indicator. And yeah, there is in and plus out. You like it is like this. Okay, and here you put the capacitor, this big capacitor. Okay, and I am not going to arrange it here. The input and output plus terminals are from the same point, and here is the output minus, and here is the in battery minus terminal. There is a very big like gap, it's very good. Then let's look at these. There are 1 2 5 MOSFETs, and what's the first one? There is a, this is a diode, and this one, this four-legged, it I cannot zoom it. Okay, there you go, and it's better now. It's a coupler and some SMD resistor, and it looks like regulator and cap, some IC, some resistors, and there are some SMDs resistors. That's all, it's pretty simple. And behind this, nope, nothing. Man, my camera is really hard, guys. I'm very sorry for not providing a professional review, and I think that's all. It's almost night, so I will be arranging all these and doing a working demo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, I will improve. Thank you.